What if you're shaking so badly that you can't even walk a straight line to the stage? And then if you do manage to get to the stage, you can't remember what you were supposed to dance. Take a deep breath, belly dancers, and come with me to this gig as I take you through my ritual for battling stage fright. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday. Stage fright can be absolutely paralyzing. It can steal the joy from your belly dance, and it can leave you feeling drained and like a total failure. In this video, you're going to come along with drummer Bob and me to our monthly restaurant gig, and I'm going to take you backstage into the green room with me and show you my techniques for battling stage fright right before going on stage. Now, I've done a lot of gigs on big stages, in school gyms, in restaurants, at other events. But even with a lot of experience, I still get jittery right before going on stage. Sometimes it's worse than others, but what I found to help me is to go through a regular ritual. I find comfort in doing the same things each time. Now, if you haven't already seen our video on preparing for your first hafla, I encourage you to check out the info card and check that out now, because it goes into great detail about preparation from, starting like a week ago. And of course, preparing for your dance is the most important thing. But even if you prepare, you can still get jittery right before going on stage. It happens to me almost every time. I think a major reason that we get stage fright, even if we've practiced and prepared a lot, is that it's a time when we question ourselves. Our insecurities come out. As illogical as they may be, we may be thinking, I'm too fat, I'm too skinny. In the old days, my butt's too big. Today, it's like my butt's not big enough. Whatever it is, these are things that are not based on logic. They're based on emotion, and who knows what's triggered them. But when you're about to go on stage and show yourself, show what you've worked hard, not to mention the fact that you're showing a lot of your body, it can make us think, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? It's a very vulnerable place. When I go on stage, I've worked my hardest, my best to get my costume ready, to get my dance ready, to get my body ready. And it's that time when I think, oh my God, I'm going up there, people are gonna see what I'm doing, and I am vulnerable. I can be judged. And that's a really scary feeling. What I want to do is help you to think about how you can develop your own ritual to help you quell that stage fright and go out on the stage looking like a goddess. So let's head out to Alfredo's restaurant in Charlestown, West Virginia, and I'll show you what I do to help with the problem. We're here at the restaurant, Alfredo's in Charlestown, West Virginia, and we got here early tonight, which is really great because it gives time to relax. But you can hear I'm getting a little keyed up. I'm gonna go through my ritual with you now because we're going on stage in about half an hour, and this is about the time where I start feeling a little bit keyed up because we're set up, but it's just energy. So I'm going to go through with you what my ritual is, because when I'm actually doing it, I won't be able to talk. So the first thing that I always do is I chew a piece of gum, because it, sometimes when you get nervous, you get, kind of a gross taste in your mouth. Plus, it just helps to get the yayas out. Ooh. The next thing that I do is, after I've got my costume on, which is going to be shortly here, is pull out my little earbuds, iPod, and I play a song. It's a ritual song. I play it every time right before I go on stage. When I start getting nervous, it's not Middle Eastern. It's actually, I think it's Macklemore, Can't Hold Us. Anyways, my kids introduced it to me. It's a hard pounding bass, and it just makes me feel like a rock star. Because in order to have the nerve to actually get out there dressed like this and dance, I have to envision feeling like a rock star. Otherwise, it'd be like, why are you about to do this? This is insane. So that's the second thing. And then with the earbuds in, with my costume on, right before we go in, if I'm really jittery, I'll just shimmy. Then right before I go on, I just take a moment, close my eyes, and I say a prayer. You got to do what you got to do. Thank you for this opportunity to dance. Help me to not be self-conscious, to just pull in the energy of the music and give it out to the audience, and give love, give joy, have fun, show the beauty in the dance. And if people aren't watching, just keep giving the energy, let them have a good time, show them how much fun this is, and live it up, because we're all gonna be dead soon, so might as well just have some fun. Last thing I do right before we go out is I do a deep breath out, and I bring it in, and I don't let the breath out until I'm out there on the stage ready to make my first move. Okay, now we're gonna see that in action. Hey dancers, so we just finished, I don't know, like 4 sets. You can see like I'm sweaty and dripping. It was incredibly fun, great crowd. Stage fright's gone. Like, why was I worried? I hope you guys found some value and some inspiration in this. If you did, smash the like button. Question of the day, which aspect of stage fright is the one that bothers you most? Leave your comments below, and next watch how to prepare for your first Hofler recital, which even if it's not your first, I think there's a lot of great information in there. So, ma salama, we'll see you on the next video.